Hello there, we're going to place of the real vintage smoke fire alarm Simplex Velox 27LT and the smoke detector. Then install the new alarms. Let me think. Shall we gonna do? We're gonna take the Simplex 2903 off. 2903 off. That got wire out. Then get to the P2W. Other signal. And then also, I'm gonna try Melock 7002D into this against on-stroke L series. Let's take this off. Let's wire it off. And install the new alarms. The against on-stroke. And the Simplex smoke detectors are replaced. So we just get the wire off. To get the wire off. I'm gonna install it. Anyways, let's install it. I'm gonna test the fire alarms. Here we go. So goodbye to the Simplex fire alarm. And hello to fire alarm system. Here we go. So yeah, the FCI base station I will keep installed, and the Simplex panel I will keep, and the new smoke detectors, guys, new, and the L series against one is new, and P2 Arts got new. So yeah, deactivated. Let's do it off. The strobe flashing.